It was a sunny afternoon. I was at Tom and Gracie's house with Liam. The sun was bright, but the house was quiet. Too quiet for me. Liam was reading his book about stars. Gracie was sketching a flower in her notebook. Tom was tinkering with a small metal box. Buddy was asleep on the floor. It was a little boring. I have an idea! Everyone looked up. Buddy opened one eye. Let's sing a song together. Gracie smiled. That sounds fun, Mia. What song? Liam looked nervous. He closed his book. Oh, I don't sing very well, he said quietly. It is not for a concert, Liam, I said with a big smile. It is just for fun. Tom put down his metal box. His eyes were wide and excited. A song! Yes! But we need to sound good. Perfect. I have an idea for my idea. He jumped up and ran to his room. He came back with a big cardboard box, some wires, and 4 empty food cans. What is that, Tom? Gracie asked. This, Tom said, will be the Super Voice 5000. It will make our voices amazing. While Tom started to build his machine, Gracie found a simple, happy song on her phone. We listened to it. The song was easy. We tried to sing, La la la, what a happy day. Our voices were not amazing. I sang too loud. Liam sang very quietly. Gracie's voice was nice. Buddy woke up and started to howl. Ow! It was very funny. We all laughed. Soon, Tom was finished. His Super Voice 5000 looked very strange. The 4 cans were our microphones. Many colorful wires connected them to the big box. A red light was on top. It is ready, Tom announced. He gave us each a can. Okay, I said. 1, 2, 3. Sing! We sang into the cans. La la la! What a happy day! A noise came from the box. It was not our voices. First, it made a moo sound, like a cow. We stopped singing and looked at each other. We tried again. La la la. This time, the box made a quack, quack sound, like a duck. We all started to laugh. It was so silly. Liam laughed the loudest. Tom looked at his machine. It needs some work. He pressed a button. The machine said, beep, boop, bap, in a robot voice. Now we were all laughing on the floor. Buddy wagged his tail and barked, thinking it was a fun game. Gracie said, I think our real voices are better, Tom. Tom smiled and turned off the machine. You are right. Liam said, let's try one more time. He was still smiling, without the Super Voice 5000.
So we did. We all stood together and sang the happy song. Our voices were not perfect, but it was wonderful. We were not a perfect band, but we were happy friends, singing together on a sunny afternoon.